Well, she came down for the ribs I just gave her. This is the closest she's let me come so far. That's pretty dang cool. I'm literally just over 6 feet away from her about. Yeah, she's about to take off now. See if I can. Oh, she's gonna hang and eat. Cool. How you doing, girl? Yep, this is the closest she's ever let me. Well, hey there, folks. Got a little news for you. Um, uh, First, we'll start off with the windows there. As you can see, I took the trim off and everything because I wanted to be able to get in there and check it out. And it rained again today for quite a while, and it rained pretty hard at moments. So what I did was I stuffed some paper towels under there again, and absolutely nothing was wet. It's nice and dry up there. So I'm kind of wondering if the last time I looked and things got wet, if there was a little bit of residual water in there from before, and taking off the trim, I think helped to dry it all out. But so far so good. It's going good, and they got a hold of me. The garage got a hold of me today, and wanted me to come in on Saturday. So dude's going to be there and put more silicone up, check out the windows, whatever, and do what he's got to do. So they're doing what they got to do. They made a mistake and they're correcting it. The other people I went to for glass said that it was illegal to have plexiglass. Well, it's not plexiglass. Pardon, I don't know the word. I think it's lexiglass, lexico, or something. And it's the race car drivers use it in their cars. The guy who has a garage used to race cars. So, anyways, that's what's up there, and that's strong. That's good. There should be no problems with it. It was just getting the leaks. They did also call the glass company, stuff like that. A lot of places aren't going to do it. It's going to be almost impossible unless I go to a junkyard somewhere, find another 91 G20, and find the windows in good condition, take them out. Otherwise, we're not going to be able to get these replaced like that. So it's looking like what I got is the best move I can make. And I'm going to bring. They told me to bring it in early on Saturday. The guy's going to be there, and he wants to just silicone it real good and make sure that it's not leaking. So they made a lot of attempts. They were honorable with their mistakes. So I'm pretty happy with it. I still recommend them. They're still a good place. I know what they're doing. Um, Also, besides that, though, I got a plant here. It's thyme. So, a buddy of mine gave me this. He grows his own herbs and everything. He's an awesome gardener, and so he gave me that. So we're letting that grow for a while and hopefully get some nice fresh thyme. Throw it on a steak one of these days. And also, he gave me some of this. This is basil leaves, fresh basil leaves. So that's good. That'll be good in something too. Cool. But anyways, also the bed situation. I was telling you guys how it had worked just fine for a while. I had no problems with moisture, but then the moisture started coming back. I had one covered in the plastic and one wasn't. And there seemed to have no problem with moisture. Then all of a sudden, there was a problem with moisture again. So there was a bit of mold. Took care of all that. I have them both surrounded in the protective thing now, and it's working good. The only thing is I always felt uncomfortable in me. I've complained about that before, that with the plastic under there. But a buddy of mine, Dennis, over at Boondocking with Dennis, cruising around in Texas out there, go check him out. But Dennis, it worked. You said do the extra sheet there, and that works. It works perfectly good. It's nice and comfy at night. So appreciate the advice. So anyways, that's going to be about it. Getting ready to do some things soon, hopefully. Am saving up to get one or two more things done, smaller things done with the van, and then gonna be able to rock and roll pretty dang soon. So, anyways, that's gonna be about it though for now. So don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down.